In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Constant Contact app and find your API key. If you're integrating Constant Contact with another tool or building your own application, you'll need to create an app in the Constant Contact Developer Portal and retrieve your API key, sometimes called the client ID. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share a few best practices so you feel confident from start to finish. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the Constant Contact Developer Portal. This is the hub where developers register apps and manage credentials. Once you're there, sign in using your existing Constant Contact account. If you're already logged in elsewhere, you may be taken straight to the dashboard. Otherwise, enter your credentials and follow any prompts to complete the sign-in. After signing in, look for the section labeled My Applications. This is where all of your registered apps live. Open it to view any existing apps tied to your account. If you're doing this for the first time, the list may be empty, and that's perfectly fine. Next, create a new application. You'll be asked to provide a name, and in many cases, you can include a short description. Choose a clear, recognizable name that reflects its purpose, like the system or project it will connect to. This small step helps a lot later if you manage multiple apps. You generally don't need to overthink configuration at this stage. The core task is simply to register the app so the portal can generate your credentials. Once the application is created, open its details page. This page is where Constant Contact displays the identifiers connected to your app. Depending on the version and terminology used in your account, you'll see an API key or a client ID. These terms often serve a similar role. They uniquely identify your application when it communicates with Constant Contact services. Carefully copy the API key or client ID from the details page. Treat this value like sensitive information. Do not share it publicly, and avoid pasting it into documents or chats that aren't secure. A good practice is to store it in a password manager or a secure secrets vault. And when you use it in development, reference it through environment variables instead of hard coding it into your source code. This helps prevent accidental exposure if you share files or push code to a repository. That's it. You've gone to the developer portal, signed in, opened My Applications, created a new app, viewed its details, and safely copied your API key or client ID. You're now ready to use it in your integration.